Hello, thanks for joining us. In this video, we are going to unbox together and show the new Fitlet 3. We are going to show what comes with it, how to install the various components, one troubleshooting method, and eventually share our overall impression compared to the legendary Fitlet 2. Not different from the older versions, the Fitlet 3 is a rugged PC with fanless chassis, making it the perfect solution for many applications. No dust or humidity issues will interrupt its reliable performance. As we open the box, the owner's manual pops. There you can find all the information needed. Link to the document can be found in the description below this video. We'll be opening the brown box where the power cable is packed. There you also have several plugs that fit several types of sockets. Pick the one that fits yours and assemble by sliding it. The Fitlet 3 comes with a cooling plate for the installation of an SSD, a modem, or both. It includes thermal pads for the cooling mechanism. The pads are located from both sides, one pad to absorb the heat and the other to release it through the heat sinks. It also comes with a few screws to assemble the SSDs to the plate and even a SIM needle to open the SIM tray easily. We are getting close to the main event. Here it is. It comes by default with 6 USB, 1 HDMI and mini DP, and 2 LAN outputs, which fits many IoT applications and requirements. If it doesn't perfectly fit your needs, you can use expansions boards. Not sure which one? You are invited to contact us. The SIM's external tray allows easy removal and insertion without the need for unnecessary disassembly of the cover. It's the little things that makes a difference after all. Fitlet 3 can function as remote sensing and monitoring device by connecting to sensors and devices that collect data. The device can then transmit this data over cellular or Wi-Fi networks to a central platform for analysis and action. It can also help improve the efficiency and safety of industrial operations by providing real-time data on machine performance and alerting operators to potential issues when abnormality is recognized. Overall, the multiple connectivity options on a Fitlet 3 device make it a versatile platform for IoT applications, enabling reliable and secure communication between devices and sensors in a wide range of industries and settings. In order to unassemble the PC, please follow the user manual and read the safety instructions. I'm going to place the PC upside down, loose the 4 screws located at the scope. The 2 side panels should fall. The Fitlet 3 compatible with DDR4 memory module. Insert the memory module into the socket with a 45-degree angle and then press it downward till you hear the click. Make sure it inserted properly. Without it, the PC won't turn on. Now I will be showing how to install an SSD and a modem. Don't forget to remove the thermal pads cover. It is important so that the modules will have optimal heat dissipation. We found it easier to assemble the antennas on the modem module before assembling it into the cooling plate. The assembling of the Wi-Fi module is quite intuitive. A kind reminder, if you are not sure where components should be installed, go back to the user manual. There is a proper way to put the cover back down. Take a look where the pins at the scope of the cover plate should sit. Now we are watching a fully functioning RuggedPC with a footprint of a small book equipped with modem, Wi-Fi, and rich input-output connectivities. All we have to do now is connect the antennas and send it to the field where it belongs. Mounting elements such as Visa or DIN rail are not provided by default. Make sure you order it if it's crucial for your need. Compulab's 5-year warranty for the Fitlet2 and Fitlet3 devices is a significant advantage for customers, offering a higher level of protection and peace of mind than what is typically provided by other manufacturers. This warranty demonstrates the manufacturer's commitment to producing high-quality and reliable products and can also help reduce the total cost of ownership over the device's lifespan. The following troubleshooting method has been found to be helpful in many cases. The RTC/RST button marked on the board as SW2, it is located next to the audio connectors. Pressing the RTC/RST button initiates a reset of the RTC chip. RTC stands for real-time clock. This will clear any error and will set the clock back to its default settings. Press the SW2 button till you hear the click, hold it for 10 seconds and release. It's the same like unplugging the RTC yellow battery, and sometimes makes a difference when there are inconsistencies causing problems. If the problems persist, then it may indicate a more serious hardware or software issue. It is known that there is a trade-off between the temperature of the system to its CPU performance. Fitlet2 and Fitlet3 both have great heat dissipation, so they are effectively using the CPU and not losing processing power. The Fitlet3, as we mentioned, can be installed with a modem and have a unique SIM tray compared to the Fitlet2, which does not. Also, in the Fitlet2, an expansion board needed in order to install the modem. The Fitlet3 is supported with more advanced technologies such as NVMe for the SSD and DDR4 for the memory. For the full comparison between those two PCs, please enter our website and read the very detailed blog. Thank you for joining us. We hope you found value in this content. If you still have unanswered questions, we would love to hear from you. For more professional content regarding rugged PCs, please like and subscribe.